Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out on which date your Samsung smartphone is being manufactured. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the phone or dialer application, and here you need to type one USSD code. So just type star hash 12580 star 369 hash, and now you will see here one name written with RF calc, right? So this is the radio frequency calibration. So here you can see a date mentioning 28/09/2021, right? So this is the manufacturing date of my respective Samsung smartphone. So in your case it might be different. So by seeing this radio frequency calibration, you can easily find out the manufacturing date of any Samsung smartphone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.